and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel on cooking everyone. So today I'm going to show you guys to know about how to steam a yummy fish everyone, especially steam with soy sauce. And also here's some ingredient and also some vegetable of this food. I'm going to tell you clear and tell you step by step when I start to cook. So now start to cook with me. We clean our fish with salt to reduce the dirty of our fish. We make soy sauce with some ingredient to add on our fish. Sugar. Add some cheese, then mix it. This is some ingredient that we also add it on our fish too. So we cut it step by step and cut it to be smaller. This red garlic, we cut it to be smaller like this. We also cut to be smaller on green chili. This cuts for lamb. Chili. Kalanga. Lemongrass, garlic, cut it like this. Start to mix ingredient on our fish. Add our soy sauce that we already made some ingredient on it, and then we add it on our fish. Garlic, red garlic, green chili, cut for lamb, lemongrass, chili, kalanga, we add lemongrass on our fish to reduce the dirty of our fish. Add oil, and then we start to steam it. Maybe 20 minutes we can eat. Cut it to be smaller to eat with our fish. I cook some Grape with fish. So now our fish is already cooked, so we can eat. Our fish look like so yummy everyone. Wow. Wow. This is soy sauce. Add soy sauce on it like this. And look at this, everyone. This is fresh vegetable, mean cabbage and also cucumber. And we also have temperate sauce, everyone, to eat with our fish and also vegetable. Hello again, everyone. Yeah, this is the time to eat, everyone. Eat with me. Add our cabbage with soy sauce. The best day. Wow. Everyone, so now the sky is dark, so let me say goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. Thanks you for watching my video, and don't forget help me to subscribe my channel YouTube to see more video about the amazing food like this to show you guys. Goodbye.